Rise and shine, people. It is time to start the day, and I'm gonna be doing a 4-island tour. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm gonna get picked up now. Are you traveling together?
Yes.
Cool. What are your names?
My name is Nicole.
YouTube channel. Just arrived at the pier in the old town, and I'm gonna jump on a boat and head over to the first island. Hey bro, how's it going? You okay? I'm good, thanks.
You're welcome. You can take, please.
Thank you, bro. Just look at how clear this water is. You can see those fish over there. When there are fish, that means the water is clean. And this is the cave entrance. Check it out. So this is Emerald Cave. You can see how green the water looks. It's so amazing. So I have a few questions for you.
Yeah.
This is my friend Arnon.
Yeah.
So first question, what was the name of the first place we went to do the snorkeling?
The first island for snorkeling is Koh Chuek, name of this island.
Koh Chuek.
Yeah.
Nice. And how long have you been doing this job of sort of doing these tours?
Yeah, we bring my customer traveling 4 island for 3 years. We working on the boat with the company 3 years.
Nice. And final questions. Is there any other countries in the world you really want to visit, or do you think Thailand is the best?
The first country I want to fly, England.
Nice.
Yeah, because I am Liverpool fan.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
My brother also supports
really?
Liverpool.
Yeah, welcome. Surely. Thank you very much for meeting
welcome.
today.
Thanks for the interview.
Yeah.
So far we've been to 2 places where we did some scuba diving or snorkeling. Saw loads of fish, which was awesome. Now we're here at this cave. And then we're gonna go and chill on another beach. Arrived at Koh Ngai. We're here for about 40 minutes, and in that time I have a meal of mangoes to eat, which I will devour with pleasure. And then I'll just take some more pictures and videos because this place is stunning. Hey, beautiful people. So yeah, it's nearly time to go. This island was Koh Ngai. It was so beautiful and definitely the most beautiful view I have ever seen in my life. Yeah, it's been really special. It's been a magical day and it's time to head home now, or back to where my hostel is. Not back, but forward. I'm going forward to my hostel. Peace out and see you in the next video.